What if I told you by just sitting in a chair like this, you can finally get rid of the stubborn belly fat attacking your upper belly, lower belly and your side belly, which makes it look all the more worse and actually stops you from getting a slim waist finally. So this simple and easy exercise is inspired by a 1,000 years old practice called yoga, designed specially for people who are either not very flexible or cannot perform floor exercises just because they can't sit on the floor with their knees bent, and who don't have the time, and they're also just starting off their weight loss journey and maybe they are not as flexible. So this is just the perfect option for all those people. This exercise aims at targeting your upper belly, your lower belly and your side belly fat, and it is very effective in the removal of this abdominal fat, which is a very stubborn visceral fat having stuck there for ages. Also, you can do it anytime, anywhere. No equipment needed. Because it is so easy to perform and completely beginner friendly, now no more excuses for all those watching this video. You have to get rid of that belly fat now, once and for all. That's exactly what I tell all the clients who come join my weight loss program. Many of them have actually benefited from this very exercise. So now you know it's tried and tested. Even though it's a modified version of a yoga exercise, it has the same beneficial effects. So what are you waiting for? Let's begin this exercise together. So before we begin any exercise, we must do a good warm-up, because this exercise involves all the body muscles to be engaged. So we must warm up all the muscles before we begin. So the warm-up is going to be, you have to keep your toes up like this and then your heels. We do 5 counts. Keep your spine absolutely straight. Now we're going to do on the spot. While we are sitting, we are going to walk. We'll try and raise our leg as high as we can. And make sure to encourage the hand movement too. Now we're going to twist sideways. So we stretch our spine. You can hold the chair if you want. Make it a little easier for yourself. And done. Let's begin the exercise. So to begin the exercise, you have to sit straight in a chair and now spread your legs. You're going to point your toes upwards, not downwards, and all you have to do is keep your spine absolutely straight, and while exhaling, you have to come down. Take your hand all the way up, inhale, and then again you have to come down. Here we are actually emulating the famous rowing action or the rowing pose of a very famous, very effective yoga exercise. It's a little modified version, completely inspired from the very effective exercise, but also very effective while you do it sitting in a chair. So just learn the technicalities, when to breathe in, when to breathe out, and you will definitely have the same amount of benefits. So you're going to put your legs straight, and now you're going to do the rowing action. The moment you go down, you have to exhale. When you come up, you have to inhale. Let me show you once. This actually affects your lower belly fat. So this is the clockwise. Now we have to go anti-clockwise, which will affect our upper belly. Have a look. It's a very easy and effective way to get rid of your upper belly and your lower belly fat. And now for the side belly, we are actually going to go all around and same pose, but with a little slight variation. Have a look. This can also be done either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So if you've learned the exact posture along with the breathing technique, let's do about 5 counts of each position together. Before we begin, I'd like to give you a very important tip. First of all, you have to keep your spine straight, your core absolutely tight, and do this exercise as slowly as you can so you can actually feel every muscle move. We are going to aim for the muscle to mind connection and not for the speed. Yoga is not aerobics. So now that you have all the tips and tricks ready, let's do this exercise together. So I hope you enjoyed today's video of this very exciting exercise to strengthen and tone your abdominal muscles. Besides that, if you want to see absolutely magnificent results with no time at all, you must pair it with a very healthy diet and absolutely balanced meals throughout the day, so you can see even more magnificent results. With a good diet and a good exercise, you're sure to get a flat belly and a slim waist in no time at all. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.